Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to write a reference paper in APA format on Google Docs. So first thing is just simply open up your Google Docs, and I have a sample over here. So to do this, just simply, of course, make the reference bold and make it to the center by going to the align over here and click on this one. And after that, you could just simply select all of these, your reference, and then go for the format, and you will have here align and indent, and go for the indentation options. And from here, you will have a special indent, and just simply select hanging and go for 0.5 and click apply. And now go for the format again, go for the line and paragraph spacing, and just simply go for the double. And from here, you should be able to write your reference. There you go. See ya.